What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing King Boo from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the brow. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line coming down the middle. And I'm going to work our way up toward the left side. I'm going to bend this down, go up at an angle, and then out. Let's go back to the center, come down towards the right, bend this out, and then up. Let's tuck two small ovals underneath the brow. So on the left side, go all the way around, and then up, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to draw a curve just underneath the eyes. Starting on the left, let's step in, come down the middle, go across, and then tuck that up on the right. Let's fill that inside area in black. And go around the pupils. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left, then it's down in the center, go across, and then up. And then on the ends, we're going to add a bracket. Let's add two sharp fangs in the center. So we're going to start in the middle, come down and up toward the left like a V, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's add two larger fangs on either side. We're going to come down and then up. Let's go back up to the top and curve the mouth coming down and then in towards the edge of the tongue. So we're starting on the left. Bend this down and then into right about there. And then from the ends, we're going to curve the tongue. We're going to go up in the middle and then down in the center. Let's connect these 2 points with the bottom of the tongue. We're going to come all the way around toward the bottom and then back up on the right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now that we completed the face, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the corner of the mouth, we're going to step out and curve the head coming down. Now you want to bend that in toward the side of the tongue. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. We'll bend this out and go up towards the side. Let's leave a gap on the side of the head. We're going to step up, curve this up, and then in, and leave a gap along the top. Go over towards the right, go out, and then bend that down. Let's close off the top with a curve. Down the middle, and then back up. Now, going back to the side, I'm just going to curve the arms, going out and then down towards the bottom. Round up the tip of the arm, and then in and then up towards the side. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and finish off the crown. From these 2 points, draw two straight lines going up. Connect the ends with that same curve we have along the bottom. From these 2 points, angle the gem going up and out. Connect these 2 points with a straight line. From the outside, I'm just going to angle this up and then in towards the top. And close off the top with a straight line. Now we're going to add some facets inside that gem. In the center, come down and out toward the left and right side. Connect the outside corner to the bottom with another straight line. Let's do the same thing across the top. From the center, angle this up and then out. And pull this down towards the outside corners. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw King Boo from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.